Eskewtrak Online Training. What is Eskewtrak and how does it simplify inventory management? Eskewtrak is an inventory management solution that helps businesses track and manage their stock levels efficiently. It focuses on streamlining the process of managing SKUs, stock keeping units, which are unique identifiers for products or items in a store or warehouse. Eskewtrak simplifies inventory management in the following ways. Real-time tracking. Eskewtrak allows businesses to monitor inventory levels in real time. This means that businesses can quickly identify stock levels, track product movements, and make informed decisions about restocking. Barcode integration. Eskewtrak often integrates with barcode scanning systems. This allows for faster and more accurate data entry when receiving or shipping products, reducing human error and improving operational efficiency. Automated replenishment. By integrating with other systems such as sales or order management systems, Eskewtrak can automatically trigger reordering of products when stock levels fall below a certain threshold. This helps prevent stockouts and ensures continuous availability of products. Centralized inventory control. Eskewtrak provides a centralized platform where inventory data from multiple locations or warehouse can be aggregated. This enables businesses to have a single view of their stock across all channels and locations, simplifying decision-making. Reporting and analytics. Eskewtrak often includes robust reporting and analytics features that help businesses understand inventory trends, identify slow-moving products, and forecast demand more accurately. Cost savings. By improving the accuracy and efficiency of inventory management, Eskewtrak helps reduce waste and overstocking, leading to cost savings. It can also help improve cash flow by minimizing capital tied up in excess inventory. Improved customer experience. Accurate inventory management ensures that products are always available for customers, reducing the chances of missed sales and improving overall customer satisfaction. How can Eskewtrak help streamline your supply chain operations? Eskewtrak is a supply chain management platform designed to optimize inventory tracking and streamline supply chain operations. Here's how it can help. Real-time inventory tracking. Eskewtrak provides real-time tracking of your inventory across various locations. This allows businesses to have an up-to-date view of stock levels, reducing the risk of stockouts or overstocking. Efficient order management. By automating order processing, Eskewtrak simplifies order fulfillment, reduces human error, and speeds up delivery times. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and reduced operational costs. Supply chain visibility. Eskewtrak offers end-to-end visibility of the entire supply chain. This visibility enables businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize routes, and ensure timely deliveries, improving overall efficiency. Demand forecasting. Using historical data and predictive analytics, Eskewtrak can help forecast demand for products. This ensures that inventory is optimized based on expected trends, reducing waste and excess stock. Supplier coordination. Eskewtrak facilitates better communication with suppliers, helping businesses coordinate deliveries, track shipments, and ensure that supply chain disruptions are minimized. Analytics and reporting. The platform generates detailed reports on key performance indicators, KPIs, like order accuracy, delivery times, and inventory turnover. These insights can help businesses identify bottlenecks, optimize processes, and make data-backed decisions. Cost optimization. With automated processes and optimized inventory management, SKUtrak helps reduce operational costs related to excess inventory, stockouts, and inefficient supply chain practices. What are the key features and benefits of SKUtrak for retailers? SKUtrak is a software solution designed to help retailers manage their inventory, track products, and optimize supply chain operations. It offers several key features and benefits for retailers. Key features: real-time inventory tracking. SKUtrak provides real-time tracking of inventory, helping retailers monitor stock levels, manage replenishment, and avoid overstock or stockouts. Barcode scanning and labeling. The system integrates with barcode scanning technology, allowing easy scanning and tracking of products at various stages of the retail supply chain. Automated stock replenishment. SKUtrak offers automated stock replenishment, ensuring that inventory levels are maintained efficiently without manual intervention, helping prevent lost sales due to stockouts. Sales and demand forecasting. By analyzing sales data, SKUtrak helps retailers predict demand trends and make informed decisions on inventory procurement and restocking. Multi-location support. SKUtrak supports retailers with multiple locations, allowing them to manage inventory across various stores or warehouse and centralize their operations. Customizable reporting. Retailers can generate customizable reports on sales, stock levels, and product performance, providing insights to improve decision-making. Supplier integration. SKUtrak can integrate with suppliers' systems to streamline the order and supply process, improving lead times and reducing errors. Mobile access. The platform often provides mobile access, enabling retailers to manage inventory and track stock on the go. Benefits for retailers. Improved inventory accuracy. SKUtrak's real-time tracking and automation help improve inventory accuracy, reducing the chances of errors and discrepancies that can lead to lost sales or excess stock. Enhanced operational efficiency. By automating processes like stock replenishment and reporting, SKUtrak reduces the time and effort required for manual inventory management, enabling employees to focus on other critical tasks. Cost savings. With better control over inventory levels, retailers can avoid overstocking, reduce storage costs, and minimize the risk of markdowns or obsolete stock. Better customer satisfaction. By ensuring products are always in stock and readily available, SKUtrak helps retailers meet customer demand promptly, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Data-driven decision-making. With robust reporting and demand forecasting, SKUtrak provides retailers with actionable insights, empowering them to make data-driven decisions that optimize sales and profitability. Scalability. SKUtrak's multi-location and supplier integration features allow retailers to scale their operations seamlessly as their business grows. How do you set up SKUtrak for optimal product tracking? To set up SKUtrak for optimal product tracking, follow these steps to ensure you're leveraging the platform effectively. 1. Create an account and set up your business profile. Sign up or log into SKUtrak. Complete your business profile with accurate information about your company, product categories, and relevant details that will allow SKUtrak to tailor its features to your business needs. 2. Configure product categories. Organize your products into logical categories, example, electronics, clothing, etc. This helps with tracking and reporting on product performance. You can also subcategorize products to make data retrieval and reporting more specific. 3. Input product SKUs. Upload your existing product catalog, ensuring each product has a unique SKU, stock keeping unit. For each product, input relevant details such as product name, description, price, quantity, and other attributes like size or color. 4. Enable barcode or QR code scanning. If your products are physically handled or shipped, configure SKUtrak to support barcode or QR code scanning. Use scanners to track the product's movement through your supply chain or warehouse, which will help in tracking inventory and sales. 5. Set up inventory locations. If you have multiple warehouse or store locations, create and map out these locations in SKUtrak. This allows you to track product quantities per location, making stock management more accurate and organized. 6. Integrate with other systems, optional. SKUtrak allows integration with other systems such as your POS, point of sale, e-commerce platform, example Shopify, WooCommerce, and accounting software. This will ensure real-time syncing of inventory data across your systems for accurate product tracking. 7. Configure alerts and notifications. Set up automatic alerts for low stock, upcoming product expirations, if relevant, and other important events. Notifications can also be set for when inventory is updated or when a specific action is taken in the system, example, a sale or return. 8. Train your team. Ensure all staff involved in product management, sales, or inventory control are trained on using SKUtrak. They should know how to input data, scan items, and interpret the reports that SKUtrak generates. 9. Set up reporting and analytics. Customize your reporting settings to track key metrics like sales performance, stock levels, and order trends. You can create dashboards or schedule periodic reports that will be sent to you or your team for analysis. 10. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor your tracking system to ensure it's working smoothly and your products are tracked accurately. Make adjustments as necessary to reflect changes in inventory, product categories, or business structure. How can SKUtrak improve data accuracy in product cataloging? SKUtrak can significantly improve data accuracy in product cataloging by providing a centralized platform for managing and tracking product information. Here are a few ways it can help. Standardization of product data. SKUtrak ensures that all product information is standardized across the catalog, including naming conventions, product codes, descriptions, and attributes. This reduces errors caused by inconsistent data entry and improves searchability. Real-time data updates. SKUtrak allows for real-time updates, ensuring that any changes to product information, example price adjustments, stock levels, or product specifications, are immediately reflected in the catalog. This helps maintain accuracy in product listings. Data validation and error checking. The platform can validate data before it is added or updated, preventing incorrect or incomplete information from entering the system. This includes checks for missing attributes or invalid values, helping reduce human error. Integration with other systems. SQTruck can integrate with other enterprise systems like ERP, CRM, and inventory management platforms. This ensures that the product data is consistent across different systems and departments, further enhancing data accuracy. Centralized data repository. By centralizing product data in one place, SQTruck makes it easier to maintain and update the catalog. This eliminates discrepancies that may arise from using multiple disconnected data sources. Automated product matching. SQTruck can use machine learning or rule-based algorithms to automatically match product variants, example, size, color, to a single product record, reducing manual data entry and ensuring consistent catalog entries. Audit trails and version control. SQTruck maintains a history of changes made to the product catalog, which allows for tracking updates, identifying errors, and reverting to previous versions when necessary. This increases transparency and reduces the risk of incorrect data being published. What are the best practices for using SQTruck in multi-location environments? Using SQTruck in multi-location environments requires a strategic approach to ensure smooth operations, effective inventory management, and real-time tracking across all locations. Here are some best practices to optimize SQTruck in such environments. 1. Centralized data management. Unified platform. Ensure that SQTruck is integrated with a central platform where data from all locations is stored and easily accessible. This allows you to maintain consistency in inventory tracking and reporting. Data synchronization. Regularly sync inventory data across all locations to avoid discrepancies, enabling real-time updates for stock levels, product movements, and order statuses. 2. Location-specific configuration. Location-based SKUs. Configure SQTruck to recognize and manage unique SKUs for different locations, taking into account local inventory variations. Custom alerts. Set up location-specific alerts for stockouts, reorder points, or no stock to prevent shortages at each site. Local reporting. Use location-specific reporting to track and analyze performance, sales, and stock levels at each site. 3. Standardized processes across locations. Standard operating procedures. SOPs implement uniform procedures for inventory management, product tracking, and order fulfillment across all locations to ensure consistency in operations. Training. Provide consistent training to staff across all locations to familiarize them with SQTruck's features and best practices for inventory management. 4. Real-time inventory tracking. Barcode scanning. Utilize barcode scanning or RFID technology to streamline inventory tracking and minimize manual data entry errors across multiple locations. Inventory visibility. Ensure that SQTruck allows for real-time visibility of stock across locations, helping you make data-driven decisions on reordering, transfers, and stock allocation. 5. Cross-location transfers. Inventory transfers. Leverage SQTruck's ability to manage cross-location inventory transfers. This helps balance stock between locations, avoiding overstocking or stockouts. Tracking transfers. Use Skutrak's tracking capabilities to record and monitor inventory transfers between locations to maintain accurate stock records. 6. Reporting and analytics. Multi-location reports. Use Skutrak's reporting tools to generate consolidated reports across locations. This will help you understand overall performance, identify trends, and optimize inventory levels. Customizable dashboards. Set up customizable dashboards that can show key metrics across all locations at a glance, making it easier to monitor performance and identify areas for improvement. 7. Integration with other systems. ERP and POS integration. Integrate Skutrak with your enterprise resource planning (ERP) system and point of sale (POS) system to ensure seamless data flow across locations, particularly for stock orders, sales, and returns. How can Skutrak's reporting tools drive better business insights? Skutrak's reporting tools can provide valuable business insights by offering a deep dive into key metrics related to inventory, sales, and product performance. Here are a few ways these tools can drive better insights. Sales performance analysis. Skutrak can track sales trends and performance across different SKUs, regions, and time periods. This allows businesses to identify top-performing products and spot sales declines early. Inventory optimization. With Skutrak's inventory reports, businesses can gain a real-time understanding of stock levels, helping prevent overstocking or stockouts. These reports also help optimize inventory turnover, ensuring that products are available when needed. Customer demand insights. Skutrak can aggregate data from various sources to predict demand patterns, allowing businesses to align production or procurement with consumer demand. This can reduce excess inventory and associated costs while improving customer satisfaction. Profitability analysis. Skutrak's reporting tools can generate profit margin insights per SKU, highlighting which products are the most profitable and which ones are underperforming. This empowers businesses to adjust pricing or marketing strategies accordingly. Trend identification. The ability to generate historical data reports can reveal market and product trends, allowing businesses to pivot quickly and stay ahead of competitors. This could include understanding seasonality, regional preferences, and other market conditions. Supply chain visibility. Skutrak's tools offer reports that show the entire supply chain process from procurement to delivery. This transparency can help identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for cost reduction. Why choose ProExcellency for Skutrak online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Skutrak online training can be a great decision for several reasons. Expert trainers. ProExcellency offers training by experienced and skilled professionals who are experts in Skutrak and have hands-on experience with the software. This ensures that the training is practical and relevant to real-world scenarios. Comprehensive curriculum. The training is designed to cover all essential aspects of Skutrak, from basic to advanced features, ensuring that you gain a complete understanding of the platform and how to use it effectively. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers online training, which allows you to learn at your own pace, on your own schedule, without the need for travel or attending in-person classes. Interactive learning experience. The training typically includes interactive elements such as live sessions, discussions, practical exercises, and Q&A sessions, providing a more engaging learning experience. Customized to your needs, ProExcellency tailors its training programs to meet specific organizational needs, making sure that it aligns with your business goals and challenges. Post-training support, they provide continuous support after the training, including resources, forums, or follow-up sessions to help you address any questions or issues you may encounter after the training. Real-world use cases. ProExcellency incorporates real-world examples and use cases in the training to ensure that you can apply your learning to actual work situations immediately. Certified learning. Completing the training could result in a certificate of completion, which can be useful for professional development and career advancement. Thank you.